So today we are going to be changing the brake pads, specifically the rear ones on this 2008 YAMAHA YFZ450, and you're going to need a 14mm socket to break loose these two bolts holding in the brake caliper assembly. And after that, one thing that you might want to do while you're at it is get a flathead screwdriver and just help compress the rear brake pads so that when it comes time to remove the rear brake caliper assembly, it's a lot more easier. Also, while you're at it, you might want to break loose these two Allen key bolts that are holding in the brake pads. Now, once you're at it and you break loose the two 14mm bolts, you just want to remove those two. Then once those are finally removed, you can just start to shake off the rear brake caliper assembly. Now, taking a look at these rear brake pads, look at that. They are completely shot. We bought this Yamaha used, so one thing that we obviously saw that needed replacement was the rear brake pads, and as you can see, we got the brand new ones here, which were actually the incorrect ones. We got sent the wrong ones, which later on we resolved the issue and got the correct rear brake pads. But as you can see right here, all you want to do is just put the new brake pads in, put back the hardware exactly where you took it out from, and just like that, once you put your new brake pads in, it's very easy. You just put them back up and just screw in those Allen key bolts and just slide on your brake caliper back on. It might be a little tough, so you might want to use a mallet just to hit it and tap it a little bit just to help get it in place. But once you do that, obviously just put back these bolts back where they belong, torque them down, and you're pretty much done with the whole brake installation. It's not that hard and it's very simple. Like I said, it's just those two bolts there and these two Allen key bolts right here, and you just take those out, take out your brake pads, put in the new ones, put the bolts back in, slide your caliper back on and bolt it up, torque it down, and you're good to go. You don't have to bleed the brakes or anything. So it's a very easy process, and that's just how it goes.